In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a CoinMarketCap account step by step. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer just starting out, having a CoinMarketCap account can be incredibly useful for managing and keeping track of your cryptocurrency portfolio. Let's walk through this process together to ensure you can easily and quickly set up your account. To begin, you'll first want to navigate to the CoinMarketCap website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in the URL coinmarketcap.com. This will take you directly to their homepage. Once you're there, look around the top right corner of the web page. You should see a login button, which is where you'll need to click next. Once you've clicked on Login, the web page will display several options for signing in. Since we're setting up a new account, locate and click on the Sign Up option. This part of the process is typical for most websites. Just like creating any other online account, you'll be asked to provide a valid email address and a secure password. It's a good idea to choose a strong password that you don't use elsewhere to help keep your account safe. After entering your email and password, you'll see an option to continue the process using Google. This is a straightforward method if you have a Google account. Click on Continue with Google to proceed. Doing so will direct you to a Google sign-in page. Here, you'll need to choose the Google account, if you have more than one, that you want to associate with your CoinMarketCap account. Simply click on the preferred account and you'll be prompted to confirm your choice. Finally, to complete the setup, click on the Continue button. By doing this, CoinMarketCap will link your Google account to the newly set up CoinMarketCap account, and you're all set. You should receive a confirmation email shortly. This email acts as a final check to ensure all the details you entered are correct and you genuinely want to create the account. Make sure to check your spam or junk folders if you don't see it immediately. And there you have it. You've successfully created a CoinMarketCap account. With your new account, you can track and manage your cryptocurrencies with more ease. Remember, this is a helpful tool for watching market trends and staying informed on all things crypto. Thank you for following along, and happy trading!